Hi guys, welcome to Print Right. I'm your host Zalveer, and today we came up with a new video. This is spot color printing. Somebody tell us that a simulated process, same process. So it's like spot color. We're printing a dragon with 4 colors. Actually this print is of 8 color. We have picked the color, we spot the color, make it down up to 4 colors. So we're printing in 4 colors, and I will show you guys how to do a great spot color printing. So guys, without a delay, let's start the video. And if you're new to the channel, like the channel, subscribe the channel, and all viewers, please share so that we get motivated. And for any other query, call our number given in the screen and go to our website printright.com. So without any delay, let's start the video. So guys, you have seen the video. So how we have done, we have show you so close zoom, and all we have sort of close up, so you can able to know the quality of the print. It's very fine print we have done with a 4 color print, and it's very easy to do. In case if you are a newbie and you want to start the screen printing business or any fashion brand or anything you want to start and you don't know printing, contact us in the number 960-6020-888. Every month 2 days we give advanced screen printing classes, and you can join there, and we will show you how to print this type of wow factor prints. So, and who are already in the printing business, for them I will tell you, this mesh, we have used 200 now mesh, 200 number polyester hard quality mesh with regular emulsion and plastisol, super plastisol quality ink, and exposed with the inkjet film and in our UV exposed machine, vacuum machine. So these are all these things we have used for doing this print. And if you have any other details, call your number given in the screen. We'll give you more clarification. And for other products, machineries, chemicals, and any other thing, go to our website, you can get it from there. So guys, for now, Ranveer is signing off. We'll come again with a new video with something about this type of good prints and new video for you guys. Till then, see you. Bye bye. Stay safe.